Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Style 2.0TDi DSG. With only 26,000 kilometres on the clock, this sleek white hatchback is a must-have. Packed with comfort and safety features like heated seats, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior is just as impressive with cup holders, USB ports and luxury trim. Plus, with ABS, collision avoidance braking and tyre pressure indicators, you'll always feel secure on the road. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Call us now or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Style 2.0TDi DSG.